Hamster Kombat withdrawal on Binance. How to withdraw from Hamster Kombat to Binance. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Hamster Kombat. Okay, so before starting the video, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So it's a very simple and easy tricks. I will not make the video long. I will just make the video for 1 to 2 minutes video. Okay, so here this is an Hamster Kombat site. So what you need to do here, you can see on the bottom right corner there is an airdrop. Simply click on airdrops, and then here scroll down, and here you can see there is an option for withdrawal. It's written withdrawal. So what you need to do, I will recommend you to go for Binance exchange. Okay, this one. So you need to click on Binance exchange, and then here you have, if you don't have the Binance account, then what you need to do here in this video I'm going to show you. So now here you can see Binance. Just you need to go to Play Store or App Store on your device. Okay, let me just show you Binance. Okay, this is the one. Make sure to download this. After downloading this, you just need to log in it, and then you have to verify your verify with your Aadhaar or any government ID. Okay, you have, this is a genuine site, so I will recommend you to do with the Binance app. Okay, so I have already created the account. This is my account. Okay, so let me just go to this one. Now here if you don't have then you just need to create the Binance first, and after that, if you're done, you have to click on yes I have. Click here, and this type of interface will be pop up. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw the complete video. This is the complete tutorial. Okay, so now here you just need to go to the Binance, and then here you can see you'll get one option, deposit. Simply click on deposit, and then here you can see deposit crypto on the top. Just click on it, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So here you can see on the top search coin. Simply click on search coin. You have to write HMSTR. Okay, this is the one. It's available now. Click on it, and then this type of interface will be pop up. Here you have to click on ton coin, and then let me just show you. Okay, here you can see deposit address. What you need to do is here you have to just copy this deposit address. The main important thing is here you have to copy exact deposit address. Okay, you don't need to do any mistake here. So now here you can see here you have to paste the deposit address. Okay, after this you can see memo. Just go back, and then here on the bottom you can see this memo. Just copy this also, and then just go back, and you have to paste here. Okay, now here you can see save and choose. Just click on save and choose, and then just hold on. Request processing on the top, you can see. Just hold on for a few seconds. It will take a few moments. Until that, please subscribe to the channel so that I will be motivated and bring up more informative videos for you. So it has been done. So now you have to click on you can see well down, stay tuned with updates. So guys, click on thanks option, and then you have to wait for the wait for 26 September. Okay, you'll directly gonna get the amount on your Binance exchange. You can just exchange from there. But before this, let me just explain you. Click on these airdrops, and you have to go to scroll down, and here before you are connecting to Binance exchange, you have to click on reset withdrawal option. Okay, make sure to reset it, and after that only you have to click on Binance exchange. So after this, what you need to do, just go back, and then you just need to wait for 26 September, and then you will get the withdrawal. So this is how you can withdraw the Hamster Kombat coin, okay, into INR or USD. Thanks for watching.